দেখতে পাচ্ছি হ্যাঁ any mentioning?
Will your lordship permit me to mention one matter? This is that matter where my client had been deplaned while he was traveling abroad on
Deplaned? Yes.
That matter.
Lookout circular?
I'm sorry,
Lookout circular?
Yes, that lookout circular. Now he needs to travel because his sister's in Singapore on her deathbed. So, I have taken out an application. I was wondering if I could persuade your lordship to take it up at an early date.
What is the urgency?
Because he has to go to his sister is very unwell in Singapore, so he has to travel.
Very well, Monday.
So grateful.
Notice to the other side, Mr. Shah.
May I permit to move one urgent unlisted motion, today, the urgency is, the matter is pending before the DRT, during the pendency, the bank has obtained order, under section 14, and we have taken out an application challenging the same, and the matter has been fixed on 20th April, 2023, but during the pendency of that application, bank is taking steps, to take possession of the subject property.
DRT, not here.
The matter is pending on before the DRT, DRT 3, and fixed the matter on 20th April,
I will not interfere. You make appropriate application before the DRT.
That is pending, during the pendency, they are taking steps,
Very well. Not before the 17th.
Yes.
Not before the 17th. I will not interfere, I'm telling you.
Otherwise, they will take possession,
May I take your
mention.
I can give you leave, but it will be ineffective because there is nobody in the department to do the needful. Leave granted, yes.
With your lordship's mention.
You're not understanding. There's no one to take steps. Even if I give you the leave granted. Yes.
Earlier I mentioned in the month of February, your lordship was pleased to direct the matter will appear in the month of second week of March. It has not appeared. Now, the problem is we are the sawmill owners, bona fide sawmill owners. Some unauthorized.
Yes, last week of April. Yes.
Last week of April.
I mentioned last week, your lordship asked
Extremely
me to
great.
come this
Microphone,
week,
please.
Last week I mentioned, your lordship asked me to come this week, Lord. My matter is, Lord, the petitioner is L1, Lord. Petitioner is L1, Lord, successfully completed his job, Lord.
What is the urgency?
My lord, some balance are still lying with the respondent. Illegally, they are withholding, Lord. My lord,
Yes, come back with facts. Yes.
My lord, due to great
my lord,
urgency,
twice I
I mentioned.
No, come back with facts. I'm not understanding your mentioning. You have mentioned 10 times. Yes.
My lord,
otherwise, your lordship release it.
Very well. We shall see. Yes.
My lord, this matter pertains to the RLL, the repo lending rate, my lord, which is regulated by the RBI, my lord. Now, my lord, that interim order was passed at which we were directed to charge interest at the rate of 6.70%.
Yes.
My lord, that rate
9.2
9.40 minus that 0.2, which is 9.20. Now, my lord, the difficulty is the entire system is computerized. And
have you filed an application?
Yes, my lord, I have done it yesterday. I've served the affidavit in opposition also to the
very well. When is the matter returnable?
17th, my lord, it is going to be auto-debited. Any date, my lord, before 17th, if the matter is heard on merits, my lord.
Very well. 12th.
Grateful, your lord.
May I have your lordship's kind leave to mention, my lord, 3 connected writ petitions and applications. My lord, I am mentioning for my client is, my lord, Eastern Coalfields, and my lord, mining operations at some mines have stopped. And your lordship
No, you're suffering an interim order?
Yes, my lord. And your lordship was pleased to permit my mentioning every time. It's, my lord, just around 4-5 matters beyond the zone of consideration. We waited on Thursday also. Monday, my lord, this is item number 822 of the monthly list. My lord, an upgradation by 4 or 5 matters, my lord, I'll get, my lord, a chance on Monday.
This is what? No,
Because
822. Why are you saying if it is 792, we will get a chance.
815. It's coming under applications. It came to, my lord, 815.
Very well. Applications kabe budbar?
Monday, my lord, is the next day.
Yes.
Or may be permitted to mention one matter for inclusion, which was released from court number 13 on 25th of January 23, my lord, because of for want of determination. And that relates to the determination to your lordships. It is against the failure on the part of the insurance company to settle the claim of the damaged vehicle after occurrence of the accident.
What is the urgency?
Lord, it is the gross failure on the part of the insurance company to settle.
Come back with facts so that I can understand the urgency. Yes.
But initially I mentioned in February. Your lordship pleasure was to mention it.
Yes, first week of May. Yes.
Your lordship. Your lordship, as per your lordship order, my matter will be appeared on 6th of March, but it was not listed on that day and it was running in monthly list of April as item number 150 and
Mr. Chaudhary, please assist him.
and the the recruitment process is getting fulfilled. So could it be possible to upgrade the matter and
What is the urgency? The
The-
what process?
urgency is that the recruitment process is fulfilled?
Recruitment for what?
Food inspector, food sub inspector.
What is the last cause of action?
The last cause of action on 13th to 2023.
No, what happened on that day?
On that day, some ambiguity on the arguments notes. So the lordship ordered that
No, Mr. Chaudhary, please
But
explain.
I find there is my lord's order of 13th February 2023, where my lord has recorded the court has intimated the learned counsel of the specific queries on the ambiguities in the note of the petitioner list the matter on 6th of March. Requested to file a supplementary note explaining the ambiguities which have been specified to the council.
it was
Very
issued.
well. And this was returnable when?
My lord, 6th of March.
তাহলে এটাকে উপরে উঠিয়ে দাও। Yes, it will be there on 13th. All right, upgraded. Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
My lord, I am mentioning a matter for inclusion in the list. My lord, I am mentioning it. Petitioner is CSC Limited. We had purchased, my lord, around 30,000 metric tons of coal in spot e-auction, my lord, in February 2023. Coal India Limited, my lord, there is some issue with regard to delivery, and if we don't get it, my lord.
No, what issued? Who is the other side?
Coal India Limited. Well, Coal India Limited
What
is
is the urgency?
my lord, urgency is, my lord, if delivery is, my lord, not given soon, my lord, our supplies, my lord, it's all, my lord, calculated, my lord, we'll soon run out of coal.
Yes, on 19th,
Lordship.
notice to the other side. Yes,
May I have your lordship kind leave to mention one lordship, the matter relates to the
can't hear you. Microphone, please.
lordship, the matter relates to lordship the Clinical Establishment Act. The
Yes,
petitioner before your lordship is a lady whose husband died. He made an application before the Clinical Establishment Act. She made an application before the Clinical Establishment Act for necessary steps. Number, the application was filed. The date fixed in the month of November 2023. I
Yes.
filed this application only for early hearing of my application for the Clinical Establishment Act. Commission for the clinic.
yes, on 25th, notice to the other side.
As
please.
your lord.
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention 5 urgent tender matters? Your lordship, it was running in the list yesterday as item 56 to 59. Your lordship, the urgency is that I've been compelled to pay 100% of the bank guarantee as advance, whereas on the same tenders, subsequent bidders have been asked only to pay 25% of the bank guarantee. So there's some urgency in the matter as the
So what is the relief?
Your lordship, that the same condition may be applied because it's on the identical terms and conditions for the same.
And what is the time gap?
Your lordship, on April 2021, 2022, the NIT was floated and the next NIT was floated in December 2022. Your lordship, in the interregnum,
You have already paid the 100%.
your lordship, I've paid the 50%, which was advance for LOI, for issuance of LOI.
Yes, 25th, notice to the other
Your
side.
lordship, some urgency in the matter, they are pressing for entering into a contract. Your lordship,
Yes,
I'll have
19th,
some
19th, yes.
May I be permitted to mention, my lord, regarding item number, regarding item number 310 in the monthly list, my lord, the respondent number 12 taken out an application
I
for
can't understand what.
respondent number 12 in item number 310 in monthly list. My lord, respondent number 12 taken out an application for recalling of your order dated 1st of July 2022. My lord, before serving of the before getting the writ petition, my lord, passed the interim order in the writ petition. The respondent number 12 could not.
What are you saying? I can't understand. Before getting the writ petition, who getting the writ petition?
The respondent number 12, the private respondent, before receiving the writ petition.
What is the order you are complaining against? Date.
My lord, because of the pendency of the writ petition,
What is the date of the order you are complaining
1st
against?
July 2022.
Very well. Now what is the urgency?
My lord, because of the pendency of the writ petition, the tower company is not in a position to install the tower in the land of the respondent number 12, my lord. Because
1st July 2020, you're mentioning for the first time.
yes, my lord,
Yes, please. I can't understand. You mentioned next week, please. Yes. Yes.
Subject to pleasure and convenience of your lordship, may I mention a matter not in your lordship's list? My lord?
Yes.
This is a matter relating to the State Bank of India, there is a willful negligence and deliberate failure on the part of the bank
It's a new matter.
to, yes,
You want to file?
new motion, my lord.
Yes, leave granted, but today, even if I grant leave, they will,
Let it, I have
what is
filed,
it that you
but,
want? It's a
it's
new matter you want to file?
not listed in the matter for listing.
Yes, last
Fine.
week of April.
Listing.
Yes,
My lord,
yes.
this matter, my lord, this is a new motion, my lord. But my petitioner has, my lord, participated in a tender process, my lord, where he was been declared as L2 bidder matter. Now, my lord, during tender proceeding, my lord, technical tender proceeding, my lord, there are some discrepancy which has been come up in the L1 bidders, my lord. And we have shown the concerned authority about that discrepancy, my lord. If that is accepted, my lord, then I will become L1 bidder, my lord. My urgency is this, my lord, on 31st, my lord, they have opened the financial bid, my lord, and any day, my lord, they will issue LY, my lord, to the L1 bidder, my lord.
Not before 24th. All right, not before 24th. Yes.
My lord, I am mentioning, my lord, item number 533 of the
If
master.
they take any steps, you mention before that. All right. Yes. Or এটাকে 20 তারিখ করে দাও তো 20 আগেরটা 20 তারিখ করে দাও। Yes.
My lord, I am mentioning, my lord, 533 of the monthly list. My lord, in earlier occasion, your lordship passed an order on 27th June 2022. My lord, directing the life insurance company to disburse all the benefits.
It's a
After
contempt.
No, my lord. My lord, after that, some amount has been paid and some amount has been not been paid. My lord, the last representation made by the petitioner, my lord, on 8th September 2022. My lord, I am praying, my lord, some, my lord, preference.
First week of May. Yes.
22nd February, Lordship, the 22nd February, LIC Housing Finance Limited passed a reason order.
Mr. Bose, don't wait. No second mentioning allowed. All right. I have granted you leave, but there will be nobody in the department to take that steps. Yes.
Lordship, 22nd February, LIC Housing Finance Limited issued a reason order in my reply to the notice under section 13(2). Lordship, according to them, no installments has been given, but record shows I have paid entire installments. Now, Lordship, they are
Don't argue the matter. Give me the urgency, please.
Lordship,
Yes.
they are going to issue, already reason order has been passed and threatened that the possession will be taken of this flat.
Dates.
22nd February, they have issued the reason order. Challenging this reason order, writ petition has been filed.
When?
This is running in the list 1037.
Very well. Yes. 20th April.
I
Notice
have
the
just
outside.
kind leave to mention upon notice for inclusion in the list, my lord. My lord, the cause of action last arose on 13th of May 2022. My lord, it's under the Arms Act. The gun license which has been gifted to the petitioner by the father, my lord, had a all India permit. My lord, he is praying so that his permit also be made all India basis. My lord, it is not made on the all India basis. The
Dates,
difficulty
last
is
cause of action.
the 13th May 2022. My lord, it has been, I'm told it has been mentioned 4 times, my lord, but somehow it was not explained.
Very
properly.
well. On 27th, notice to the other side.
I'm very
please.
deeply obliged, my lord. very
Yes.
deeply.
My lord, may I permitted to what matter mentions, and this inclusions in the list, my last list, this matter on 24th November 2021. And my lord, under the heading of motion stage, there is no order, my lord, the release the matter before the department. Now,
I can't
since that,
understand what release
my
the
lord,
matter before the
I'm
department.
my lord, I'm coming the reasons order, my lord. This matter, my lord, has been challenged against the demand notice of the concerned bank authority. My lord, that is not a DRT matter.
I
Whether
can't
the
understand what you're saying. Just tell me the urgency, please.
urgency, my lord. Now, the 7th March 2023, the authority concerns again served a notice. My lord, my loan has been already clear.
Who served a notice?
Punjab National Bank. When I was taking a loan, that is UBI.
Saying what? I can't understand the facts. Saying what? What is the threat?
Said, my lord, that demand, as per demand, my lord,
Come back on the
immediately,
next day. Yes,
deposit.
yes.
My lord,
On the
I
next day.
appreciate, my lord, that this is the order has been passed by the Honorable Justice Subhasachi Bhattacharya and no more appears in the list. Kindly included in the list, my lord.
No.
Whatever may
Without
be, my lord.
understanding the matter, I will not include any matter. You come back on the next
Lord,
day
I am
with
aggrieved
facts so that
by-
I can understand. Yes.
I am aggrieved by non-disposal of my section 14 application, which is pending since March 20, your lordship, before the learned district magistrate Purva.
So why did you
Bhattacharya.
wait for 3 years and then file the writ
Your
petition?
lordship, no, I filed the writ petition in August 21 itself, your lordship. After March 20, lockdown commenced, your lordship, and in August 21, I filed the writ petition. Since then, I have mentioned on several occasions, your lordship, but could not be taken up.
Yes, 27th.
My lord, there are 3 similar matters, my lord, same footing, my lord. District
27th. Yes.
Deeply blessed, my lord.
My lord, I am mentioning one matter for inclusion in the list. My lord, the matter relates to the transfer of a excise license after demise of the mother
The existing license holder.
What? Transfer. What
Trans-
is the prayer in the writ petition?
My lord, the transfer,
Come back with facts. You're not ready with the facts. Yes.
My lord, this is a new motion.
Yes.
I am praying for inclusion. And I am praying for inclusion. The petitioner failed to deposit the bid amount.
I can't understand. Yes, yes.
May be permitted to mention before your lordship
Yes.
under new motion.
I can't hear you. Yes, anyone else? Yes.
Your lordship, the petitioner is the wife of the former public prosecutor, and she is not getting the pension or the remuneration which the former public prosecutors ought to receive after the sudden death of her husband.
Former public prosecutor has passed away.
Yes, yes.
And when?
It was in 2021 and last of 2021.
And the petitioner is the wife.
Yes.
What have you asked for in the prayer?
To get the remuneration, remaining remuneration.
Remuneration. Remuneration means you're saying pension.
No, the remuneration.
Come back with facts, please. Be ready with the facts. Yes.
My lord, the petitioner failed to deposit the bid amount within the stipulated time. Thereafter, so-called notice was issued against him. The so-called notice was replied. Thereafter, additional district magistrate.
What is the urgency?
Additional district.
Come back with facts. Yes.
Leave to mention on matter, there is urgent need to travel to Singapore. There is one writ application where my right to travel has been restricted, my lord. Since I've been restricted from traveling to Singapore, I could not finalize my business deals, my lord, which is going to happen.
Last cause of action?
Last of March, my lord. March 2023, my lord.
Yes. What is the date of the lookout circular?
Date of the lookout circular is my lord 30th September.
Yes. Come back with facts.
I'm
Yes.
aggrieved by a non-disposal of under section 14 surface E. I filed it before the Postim Mednipur district magistrate, and it's still pending. So I'm
pending since when?
Since 14/12/2019.
When did you file the writ petition?
On August 2021. September 2021.
Absolutely no urgency. Not before the second week of May. Yes. Call on the list, please. হ্যাঁ 17 তারিখের আগে নয়। Yes. হ্যাঁ 14 দিয়ে দাও 14। Yes.
এটা কি বলবো?
For orders, item number 1, Paul Brothers.
Happy for the petition.
Just two clarifications. You're for the respond number 6.
Mr.
Yes,
Devnath,
when
is
did
not-
when did you file the suit in Alipur court?
But suit was filed in February this year.
Microphone, please.
February this year, madam, 2023.
February 2023. The title suit.
Yes, madam. An obtained injunction that
One-
is
How can you file it in February? The impugned order is of December. The division bench says December. How can you file it in February?
The suit was filed in the first week of December.
December. My
First
mistake.
week of December.
December 2022. My mistake.
Mr. Dashgupta.
My mistake. I got in a hurry.
It was filed in the first week of December.
First week of December. Yes.
And when did you file the appeal before the division bench?
Appeal, my lord, immediately in my lord, February we filed the appeal.
No,
And my
my
lord,
lord, it
sorry,
was-
January we filed the appeal. 24 January order passed, and my lord confirmed on 20. My
Not
lord,
yet, but
29th.
What are the dates?
They moved the appeal. I don't know when they filed the appeal. They
January.
moved the appeal. 17 January, they
No,
mentioned.
that I know. I've seen the order.
Yes, ma'am.
The-
17 January, they moved the appeal code. Appeal code directed them to serve us.
Yes. When did they file the appeal?
Filed the appeal on the first week of January, Mala, to the best of my knowledge. But we are not aware when the appeal was filed. We were not served.
When you filed it.
You don't know the dates? Very well. Yes. Lekhana.
But only 1 minute submission.
No further submission. I've
Because
passed my
that
order.
document was not before your lordship. my lord,
Very
when the
well.
lordship was-
No further submission.
But we also did not have the copy of the
Yes,
document.
no.
my lord. That's a
The-
lord,
no,
kindly record.
sorry, no.
But a
the-
point of
the
suppression I'm
parties-
arguing, my lord. Point of suppression.
Please challenge my order, Mr. Dashgupta. You're not even aware of the facts of your case, and you're asking for further time to make
Only
submission.
one sentence, my lord.
Yes, the learned counsel appearing for the parties were informed, as recorded in the last order passed by the court, that the matter would be listed under the heading for orders today. Stop. Next, the order is as follows. Stop. বাকি যেটা dictation করা আছে হয়ে যাবে। This court is aware of the fact that any order permitting the petitioners to use the concerned trademarks would militate against the order of the division bench, which has restrained the respondents in the appeal from using the concerned trademarks till 6/4/2023 or until further orders, whichever is earlier. Therefore, in view of the facts shown to the court and the law relevant to such facts, this court deems it fit to restrain the respondent number 6 from using the 7 trademarks listed in paragraph 13 of the writ petition till the matter is heard out on affidavits. Affidavits in opposition within 3 weeks, reply within a week thereafter, list this matter after 4 weeks.
I have already served my affidavit in opposition. May I file it in 1 week?
Yes, the last order passed by this court, the date of the last order passed by this court should be corrected to 4/04/2023 instead of 4/03/2023.
But affidavit in opposition, may I file it in 1 week? I have already served, my lord. I am carrying it in my hand. Lordship gives me leave, I can file it here and now, my lord.
Next, learned counsel, you are appealing for which respondent?
Number 6, my lord.
Respondent number, but I will not change the dates for the others. Learned counsel appealing for the respondent number 6, wishes to file its affidavit in opposition in court today. Stop. It is recorded that the affidavit in opposition has been made ready without a direction from the court to file any affidavits by any of the respondents. Stop. The affidavit is filed in court today.
I have already served, my lord.
Next.
I'm grateful, madam.
মুখে রাখো।
Grateful.
Item number 2.
Item number 2, your lordship, I am for the petitioner led by Mr. Devabrata Shah. This is a assigned matter before your lordship. Kindly fix any date as your lordship convenience, so that matter will be heard by your lordship.
Monday, but only the first 4 orders has been recorded. The other orders, there will be nobody to record the orders. So
Fine.
Monday.
Grateful, my lord.
Item number 3.
That I appear for the National Medical Commission.
I'm told that there's the order, just the date of the order is should be corrected.
Thank
What is the matter about, Mr.
This
Roy?
is a matter in which your lordship had been pleased to release the matter because, my lord, the spouse of the private respondent, my lord,
Yes, I remember.
Item number 4.
It will be on Monday, just the date will be corrected.
Item number 5.
4, I am for the respondent also.
Which is this matter, Mr. Shah?
Item number 4 is supposed to be released, my lord, so far as the endorsement in the list is concerned, lordship.
Monday. Yes.
Item number 5.
Item number 5, I am for the respondent, my lord. Yesterday, my lord, I took 1 day's time for filing my written notes, my lord. May I file that?
Yes, but Mr. Shah, you can hand up your written note, but there won't be an order. So it's better that you come back on Monday.
Lordship, as
All
you
right,
wish.
just written note নিয়ে নাও তো সোমবার দিন আমি এটা অর্ডার করে দেবো।
Item number 6. Item
number 6.
একসঙ্গে রাখো। দেখি। Have you written for the petitioner and you are for the?
I am for the state respondents that has been written. I don't know.
You're for the all the state respondents, Mr.
Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 6.
My lord, I am appealing for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, I am appealing for the petitioner.
What is the urgency?
My lord, my father was a freedom fighter
My lord, the petitioner's father was a freedom fighter. He has passed away in 2014. After he
Yes,
passed,
yes, you're the brother.
no, my lord.
Then?
My lord, I'm the son of the petitioner.
Yes.
My father has passed away in 2014. Now, after his death, I found out from the passbook, he used to draw pension under a central government scheme for the freedom fighters.
Yes.
After he passed away, I found out that in 2011, the amount which was there in lying in his account, that was transferred by the bank to the respondent authorities. The pension amount which was lying in the bank, that was transferred back
You're for the bank?
My lord, Mr. Omnaran Ray from the bank.
From the bank. Very well. What is the last cause of action in your case?
My lord, this
Very
2018.
well. This will be listed on 17th.
70.
Sorry, on 24th. 24th?
Much obliged.
Yes.
Item number 7.
Here, my lord, on behalf of petitioner, my lord, there was an exchange of direction for exchange of affidavits. Affidavits have been completed. On the last occasion, my lord,
Mr. Bhattacharya, what is the urgency? Then I will keep the matter on that basis.
my lord, the urgency is that there was a clause, my lord, which indicates that I have to obtain prior approval from the corporation for the purpose of change of the constitution of a farm. Now, so far as the present matter is concerned, it appears, my lord, that the initial.
Very well. When do you want to come back, Mr. Bhattacharya? Because the list is, the board is also not running. So
Yes.
there's no point in, yes. When do you want to come back?
My lord, any date which suits my lords, but my lord, there is some urgency. Having regard to that, kindly, according to.
Very
the-
well. 19th, Kurdo, 19th.
I'm grateful.
19th.
Item number 8, Jiwan Singh.
पूरे दिन से ना।
लिखा होगा ना, तुमने order लिखा।
Lord, this writ application relates to, my lord, treatment of one rarest of rare disease, that is, my lord, called, my lord, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, my lord.
Very well. When do you want to come back?
My lord, subject to your lordship's convenient any day, Monday.
You are, the petitioner is the sufferer.
My lord, Monday, yes, petitioner is the sufferer, petitioner is the minor children, my lord,
Minor children.
through their father and.
And it has to be a PIL. What minor children?
No, my PIL is different issue, my lord, for their treatment.
Yes.
Only for their treatment, nothing more, nothing.
How many petitioners?
My lord, perhaps 10 or 9.
10. 9. What is the,
11 petitioners. are
11.
there, my lord.
What is the relationship between the petitioners?
My lord,
What is the relationship between the 11 petitioners?
they are all the same disease.
Then it has to
They are
be a-
suffering from same disease.
It
my
has
lord.
to be a PIL.
No, PIL is different. Pair of the PIL is with me. PIL is different issue. my lord.
Or file 11 separate writ petitions. In one writ petition, unless all 11 petitioners are connected in some way or the other, their being sufferers of the rare disease cannot be the only reason. If they are brothers and sisters, whatever may be, then yes. Otherwise, 11 different writ
My lord,
petitions.
subject to lordship's kind sanction. If your lordship allow me to satisfy
No,
you for your
no,
lordship,
no.
my lord, in this regard, my
I
lord.
am absolutely clear.
My lord,
Yes,
my lord, see one thing only. My lord, one Ornish Shah, my lord, that moved before the Honorable Delhi High Court, and that has been passed in order on the self-same issue, my lord.
how many writ petitioners were there?
Various writ petitions. I have annexed, my lord, that these
No, no,
judgments.
no. Because Delhi High Court has
Good
not.
number of petitions are there, my lord, and on that basis, order has been passed, my lord. Your lordship, kindly have a look for a moment, my lord.
No, 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 not at all. Yes.
But PIL is different issue. PIL has been preferred by one authority that is on different issue, my lord.
Then wait for the outcome of the appeal. Then why are you before my court?
Well, because of life expectancy of the petitioners is very limited. After the 2 years, they would not survive. The treatment is very regrettably started.
Show me the order of the Delhi High Court, please.
Delhi High Court order.
May I? My lord, I have annexed with the writ petition that is starts from 198, my lord.
You are appearing.
Series of orders are there, my lord.
To appear on behalf of Union of India, Lordship.
There was only one writ petitioner in each case.
Page 198 to 19 to 33 to 44, my lord.
Yes, but there was only one writ petitioner in each of the case, in each of the writ petitions filed. Can you not understand?
My lord, if in that case, my lord, only.
There was only, you have annexed a series of writ petitions, orders passed in writ petitions where only one writ petitioner was there in each of the cases. And here you have come with 11 writ petitioners.
All the writ petitions tagged in a single order, my lord. Single order was passed.
No, you have
My lord,
filed-
only keeping, I am striking out the others, liberty
is
may be
up- that
granted
is
to
up to
file,
you.
my lord.
That is
Only, I am pressing for one petitioner, only first petitioner.
Very well. I'm keeping the matter on 11th. We shall see. 11th.
Well, subject to lordship's kind sanction, 10th, 11, I'll be out of station, my lord. And, my lord, this is my personal.
When there is no urgency.
Or my lord, 13th, subject to
18th,
lordship.
18th.
My lord.
Yes.
Petitioner number 1.
13th, kore daw, 13th.
Lordship, the writ petitioner number 1 in the instant case, Lordship, is the is the petition number 2 in that matter which is pending before the Honorable Chief Justice, Lordship. And
the PIL?
In the PIL, Lordship. The PIL was filed by the society.
Yes.
Muscular Dystrophy Patients Welfare Society.
Very well. You delete whoever is before the Chief Justice's court in the PIL. All right. Please delete. Yes, call on the next matter, please.
Item number 9, Joydom Enterprise.
On behalf of the petitioner, this is that matter where I have an agreement with MOUSHUMI. And my claim is about 3.75 lakhs, they have not paid. And the point which they have taken, when the matter, I placed the case, that this is not maintained.
Money cannot
claim,
be given.
contractual obligation, not
No, but
maintained.
there are, from Gunwant court, there are many
Yes,
judgments.
I placed one judgment.
And Justice Nariman also.
2023 Lordship has given the clue, and I have cited 2004 ABL. And alternative remedy is no bar. So any day, Monday, if Lordship takes it up, because there is urgency, and most importantly, they have cancelled all contracts, after I filed the writ petition.
My lord, I am here for respondent number 224, my lord. Our point of maintenance.
You are for Manjusha?
Manjusha, my lord. My lord, I was only humbly praying, can it be taken up any day apart from Monday, my lord? Even on Tuesday, my lord.
Very well, 11th. 11th, yes.
Kindly takes it up on Tuesday.
Next.
Item number 10, Kavita Jagatramka.
I appear on behalf of the petitioner. This matter, Lordship recalls, SFIO proceeding was initiated.
Yes.
And I filed a writ petition here. Then, I filed writ petitions, in Gujarat High Court.
Yes.
And Lordship, asked me, to satisfy my lord on the point that this court has the jurisdiction or not.
And who was appearing for the SFIU?
Mr. Kundolia was appearing,
Yes, yes.
So Lordship takes it up, Monday, Tuesday, any day. I have brought the
Yes,
judgments,
yes, 13th. Next.
Grateful,
Item number 11, Ideal Villas Owners.
This is in regard to Apartment Ownership Act matter. You'll also, I don't find anybody. They have used an.
Not an ideal state of affairs today, isn't it? When do you want to do the matter?
Kindly take it up on Monday, Your Lordships.
Monday. Why?
Because, my lord, I'm questioning not Your Lordship probably gotten wrong information because of my wrong placement. I'm not questioning any election. I'm
wrong
Your Lordships are the impression that I'm questioning the election process.
Yes.
It's not that. What I'm questioning, Your Lordships, an action which ought to have been taken by statutory authority cannot be taken by the private respondent.
What is the urgency, Mr. Shannal?
But they have published a defaulter list and says that they are going to.
And that list is to be given effect to on which date?
This is already effective from 31st, but Your Lordship has fixed it, but this could not be taken up.
Yes. Tell me 11, 12, 13th.
11th, Your Lordships.
11th. Yes, next.
Item number 12, Tabual Steels Private Limited.
Lord, I beg to appeal on behalf of the petitioner. This is a writ petition for implementation of an OTS scheme. The OTS scheme provided for payment in 2 installments. One was to be paid on 28th of February or not before 28th of February of this year. The next installment was payable on not before 31st of March. It was the bank's duty to let us know the amount which we were supposed to pay on or before 28th of February.
And Justice Shah's judgment is not against you.
That's not an impediment for this case because here the bank, it was the bank's fault in not letting us know the amount to be payable. Bank informed us on 1st of March after the date expired.
Very well. Mr. Banerjee, who was appearing for the bank?
One lady, advocate, appeared. I did not know her name. I'm so sorry. I should have known. I do not know her name.
Yes.
Miss Millard Shong.
Very well. 17th or 18th?
Any date, Millard.
Yes, 17th. Next.
Grateful.
Parted matter, item number 13, Chitra Mukherjee.
My lord, I'm for the respondent, my lord.
For the petitioner, my lord. My lord, is that matter for
mosquito bite?
Mosquito bite. Written notes of argument may be accepted today, my lord. Order may be passed on Monday for acceptance of the written notes of argument.
Yes, even if I accept the notes, I will not be able to.
My lord, it may be passed later on.
Let the
my lord.
matter be kept on 11th, my lord, or on
Very
Monday,
well.
my lord.
My lord, I'm not there on Monday and Tuesday, my lord.
Very well. Then you're there on, it be only Tuesdays and Thursdays. So 13th.
My lord,
13th.
written
Much
notes of
obliged.
argument may be accepted, my lord.
I have to pass an order. Can't you understand if I accept the note?
Much obliged, my lord.
Contempt
Yes.
application item number 14, Sigma L, System Private Limited.
With IPA for the petitioner. Well, this is that, my lord, MS DAC matter, my lord.
Yes.
But I have a,
MS DAC means what? Signaling. Yes.
but your lordship was pleased to pass an interim order, my lord. According to us, my lord, that is violated. Therefore, my lord, we have come up in contempt. But, my lord, we are, my lord, more interested to get the, my lord, the main matter heard. So I was only praying, my lord, if your lordship may kindly-
Affidavits are complete in that.
Yes. In the main matter, my lord, we are filing our reply today, subject to, my lord, your lordship's officer here, or else we can file it on the.
Mr. Dotto, don't file it today because there won't be an order to that
Very-
effect. And it will be difficult for you later on.
My lord, Mr. Promitso is appearing for the railways. He has requested me to inform the court that he has some difficulty next week. I was only praying, my lord, in that case, kindly keep it, my lord, the week thereafter, my lord, whichever day, my lord, your lordship feels.
It's only on Fridays. I was taking it up today because of tomorrow being a holiday. So 21st.
But I was praying this, my lord, we will not press the contempt. Kindly, my lord, fix the main matter, my lord. Affidavits are over, my lord.
Very well. Yes, yes. The contempt will have to be taken up first and then the writ petition. Since it's a pending matter.
Very well, my
All
lord.
right.
If you,
21st.
20, but on 21st, my lord,
21st contempt, and then I will fix a writ petition immediately on the next day, which is 24th. 21st is a Friday.
very,
All right.
very.
Yes.
I'm grateful.
Next. Yes, there are two writs, Mr. Oh, there's a contempt and a writ petition. Very well. Original side.
We had only one request, my lord. Yesterday, my lord, there was a fixed matter, my lord. The business of the court did not permit the matter to be called.
Which one is this?
The item number 16, it was there in the list. But, would it be, my lord, in the list made on Monday? The fixed matters which were not taken up.
Yes, it will be on Monday. If you find that it's gone down, then you mention in the morning. I will
Well,
take it up.
I'm
Yes.
grateful.
You need. Very well. It will be there on Monday. If it is not there, you mention.
Very well.
My lord, an original side matter, may I have, my lord, the liberty of,
Mr. Dotto, you can mention, but I mean,
I have one innocuous prayer.
but
my
there is nobody in the original side. Yes. What is it?
Only if it can, my lord, retain its position on Monday, my lord. That's
Which matter?
item number 6 of, my lord, today's list, my lord, original side.
এখানে কি list আছে? What is the list? Give me the list, please. Secure Point Solutions.
Yes, my
First time.
first time, my lord.
Very well. একটু বলে দিও গোপালকে যে ছটা যেন না আবার নেমে যায়, ঠিক আছে? আজকে যেটা।
I'm grateful, my lord.
বলে দাও।